What you see here is a 12-inch Sears Kenmore oscillating table fan. This is the model number 135.882. Manufactured by Knapp-Monarch sometime back around the mid to late 1960s. 3-speed. Sears Kenmore decal, which is a little bit rough for wear, but still there. Show you the back. Speed control switch, 3 speeds. Pretty good shape for its age. A little sticker there is a name, I guess, of the original owner. Decided to leave it on there just because it tells a story of some sort. So yeah, pretty cool looking fans in pretty good shape for its age. Without much else to say, let's go ahead and start it up. Motor in this fan is shaded pole, and it does make a pretty audible moan to it when it runs. Just a general characteristic of it. Drawing 0.81 amps on low. Go up to medium. Medium, we're drawing 0.97. And here's high. Drawing 1.17. Which is pretty much on par with what the sticker on the bottom says. Rated at 1.1 amps. Pretty powerful fan. The hum from the motor is actually louder than the wind whirring through the fan blades. And we'll let it coast. And we'll engage the oscillator here. And we're going to start it up to high. Back to medium. Back to low. Back to high. And we'll let it coast. And there you have it. There was the 12-inch Sears Kenmore by Knapp-Monarch from the mid to late 1960s. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.